Imagine you're at the universe's very first party. No music, no snacks, but a whole lot of energy crammed into a space smaller than the head of a pin. About 13.8 billion years ago, that's exactly what happened. The Big Bang. Now, bang is a bit misleading because it wasn't an explosion into pre-existing space. Instead, a space its own, sprouted, ballooned, and continues puffing up to this day, like cosmic dough in an oven that never turns off. At time zero, the ultimate New Year's moment, all matter and energy were pinned into one super hot, super dense point. Things got wild in those first fractions of a second. A theory called cosmic inflation says that in a blink, about 10 hours, 32 seconds, the universe swelled faster than your aunt's eyebrows at a family reunion, doubling in size 1 trillion times over. This solved pesky puzzles like why the cosmos looks the same in every direction. Thank you, inflation. As expansion cooled things down, fundamental particles, quarks, electrons, and their buddies, frolicked out of the primordial soup. Quarks combined into protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons combined into atomic nuclei. Nuclei grabbed electrons to form neutral atoms. Voila! Hydrogen and helium, the universe's simplest fan club duo. Fast forward a few 100 million years. In gravity, nature's ultimate matchmaker, pulled gas clouds together into the first stars and galaxies. Those early stars lived fast, died young, and seeded space with heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, all the good stuff for life and pizza. Later generations of stars, planets, and eventually us emerged, built from that stellar recycling program. For the theory curious, there's also the wild steady-state theory. Basically, the universe is eternal, looks the same forever, and new matter magically appears to fill the gaps. It sounded neat but failed to explain the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of our Big Bang party. So it's mostly retired, like disco pants. In today's menu of ideas, we even flirt with multiverse scenarios. Our universe might be one bubble in an infinite cosmic soda. But until someone hands us the receipt, the Big Bang plus inflation is our best eating plan. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're looking at ancient light from an all-the-rage bash that kicked off everything, even your morning coffee. And that, my friend, is the cosmic origin story. No assembly manual required.